The story of Chakapala. While residing at the Jetavana monastery in Savatthi, the Buddha uttered verse 1 of this Dhammapada with reference to Kakapala, a blind Thera. On one occasion, Thera Kakapala came to pay homage to the Buddha at the Jetavana monastery. On night, while doing walking meditation, the Thera Kakapala accidentally stepped on some insects. In the morning, some bhikkhus visiting the Thera found dead insects and reported the matter to the Buddha. The Buddha asked them whether they had seen the Thera killing the insects. When they answered in the negative, the Buddha said, just as you had not seen him killing, so also he had not seen those living insects. Besides, as the Thera had already attained arahatship, he could have no intention of killing and so was quite innocent. On being asked why Kakapala was blind although he was an arahat, the Buddha told the following story. Kakapala was physician in one of his past existences. Once, he had deliberately made a woman patient blind. That woman had promised him to become his slave, together with her children, if her eyes were completely cured. Fearing that she and her children would have to become slaves, she lied to the physician. She told him that her eyes were getting worse when, in fact, they were perfectly cured. The physician knew she was deceiving him, so in revenge, he gave her another ointment, which made her totally blind. As a result of this evil deed, the physician lost his eyesight many times in his later existences. Then the Buddha spoke in verse as follows. Mind precedes all mental states. Mind is their chief, they are mind-made. If with an impure mind a person speaks or acts, suffering follows him like the wheel that follows the foot of the ox. Dhammapada 1. At the end of the discourse, 30,000 bhikkhus attained arahatship together with analytical insight. Patisambhida. When our mind is tainted by greed, hearted or delusion, our actions follow suit, and the results inevitably bring suffering, not just externally, but internally as well. Follow us to get more Dharma content. Namo Buddhaya.